Good morning, guys. This is a quick live to review my morning trades I have taken this morning and a couple of swing trades which turned into profit, so I sold them for profit. So I'll be just doing a quick review of them. So this morning I took 4 trades in total. Number one was ACER, which is our lead gapper today, this morning. So far it has done 4.5 million shares traded and it's 96.5% gained. So I took a trade a little bit late because I missed 402 trade because of the time difference. I didn't realize that today the clocks are going back, so I was a bit late. Usually I should have, if I took a normal trade, which I do, I should have picked up it right here around this price, 535, around 530. Yeah, first pullback normally I do take a trade, so probably 513 to 520 I should have taken a trade. Nevertheless, I missed it. It's okay, but I took a trade right here around 642 and sold half of my position around 721, and then the stock started consolidating and it broke the trend line. This trend line I have drawn, green trend line. As soon as it broke the trend line, I came out of the trade completely here, making me in total $1,300 profit from this trade. Another trade I took is on AZRX. It was overnight trade. I purchased it around 140 on Friday and sold half my position at 225 for around $1, profit about 75 cents profit. Good profit though, $500 profit on this one, $600. And then I bought back here, which was wrong move. I thought it's gonna make a big move, but it didn't, and sold the one I bought here, right here. I was stopped out for 500 shares there, and then I was stopped out completely around 189 because my average was 140. So yeah, that gave me around 670 profit in total. And I still have Zong, which is a swing trade. I'm gonna keep it, and RAVE, keeping it. So that's about it. This is my morning trade. So today the lead gapper is ACER. Do leave a comment if this is first time you are joining us, if you are taking a trade or not. Please do share with us. Please do share what you're trading today if you are taking a trade, and what you're looking at, what's your watch list. My scanners are showing ACER, lead gapper, CHEK just popped. Yeah, looking good. CHEK has become the lead gapper with 6.4 million shares traded and has all the momentum one needs. It's 90% up this morning. Yeah, it's looking very strong. Do let me know if you're trading CHEK. And also please leave a comment if you can hear me properly, if my voice levels are correct. They're not bursting your ears. I'm just testing this new microphone. Please do mention your name in the comment section, who is with us and where you from. Have you subscribed my channel or not? If you haven't, then please do subscribe my channel. We do take live trades every morning. Today I couldn't because of the time difference. I didn't realize that clocks are changing today, so I just reviewed my trades this morning. What I took 4 trades in total, ACER, and also I took a trade on AZRX, which was overnight, both in profit. And now CHEK is looking really good, really strong. Okay, I have taken a trade on check because they have got approval. I just noticed the news. They have been approved for one of their drugs or something. Let me quickly check, please. So basically, CK check cap receives FDA IDE approval for pivotal study of C-scan. So this could be big. The IDE approval is a significant milestone for CheckCap. Now, with IDE in hand, we aim to enter the last phase of demonstrating the clinical potential of C-scan in the USA with the ultimate goal of commercialization in this important market, said Alex Ovedia, which is good, looking strong. Look, I'm already up $110, $105 on this one. It's looking big today. Volume is there, momentum is there, gap is there, everything is ticking. $120 on this one, $125. I took only a small position, 500 shares, $140. This is big, guys. The news is big. It has already doubled. I don't know how far it can go. I'll wait. Either I break even or take some profit off the table. But at the moment, it's $100. It's fine. It's looking good. I wouldn't just come out of this trade because I think it can run further $4 or above $4 easily. Should do, at least with this kind of catalyst. It should go big. Please do leave a comment if you are watching, and also if this is first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. A small pullback, 1 minute pullback. We'll see if it falls, we'll take a break even, or moving average is right, 325. I might add more. Okay, it has momentum there, so I believe that this could be a big trade. $150, $155. See, only 500 shares and already $170 up. $180, 185. This has momentum. This has everything. They have received an approval from FDA, which is big news. And you see, 500 shares, $200 profit. So making $200 profit in literally 5-10 minutes, not a big deal. 215. Anybody can do it as long as you know how to manage your trades well. 220, only 500 shares, guys. This is like risking what? $1,500 and 235 profit. 250. Spotting the opportunity early. Yes, I could have taken a trade here, but I was doing live and I had already other trades. I think on this level, I might take some profit off the table. It's a pullback, very 1 minute pullback. It should come back to 353. If not, then it might go back up. The thing is, it has a big catalyst, FDA approval. It's not a small catalyst. It has big catalyst. Look at the volume. Volume is literally just over the moon. It's 12.4 million shares traded already. And that's pre-market. They should bounce off here on these levels. Please do leave a comment in the comment section and let us know if you are trading this stock or not, if you are trading anyway on any stock this morning. Okay, it's a pullback or reversal. We will see in a moment. I might just close this position. It might just consolidate around this area. I think I would like to re-enter again around here. By the looks of it, it's reversing now, and I'm out. Okay, yeah, mistake. I should have taken profit around here, but yeah, that's fine. It's all good. It already stretched way too high, but news is big. I think it will run. It will run further. I will try to take another trade right here. I just took $110 off the table, which is not a lot, but still it's okay for 10 minutes trade, or maybe 2-3 minutes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, 10 minutes. I should have taken bigger profit, but yeah, it's fine. This is part of the game. Sometimes you have to give enough time to your trade for it to just work itself out. If it comes to 287, that would be absolutely ideal for me to just take a trade. But let's see, 5-minute chart is looking good. Yeah, around these levels, yes, I would take a trade if it comes there. Okay. This could end up in break even, honestly, because usually I'm good at picking up the trades early around here or even here. But because I was doing live, I didn't realize that, this has made a move. Usually it comes up on my scanner, but I was a little bit late to pick this up. Okay, we have 5 people watching us right now. Could you please mention your name and where you're from, and have you taken any trade yet or not? And what are you trading? Yeah, looks like it will end up break even. Quite important level here, if you understand. There is the candle, there is the candle, and I should have added it at these levels, 332. So this was a bad example of, but yeah, when you have a catalyst like that, FDA approval, you would wait. You wouldn't just simply take small profit. Here I had an option to take profit around here it was $250 profit, but I ended up taking $90 profit. I thought that it has reversed, but it hasn't. It was just simple a pullback, and then I added again around 345, and let's see how this trade comes out to be. I am okay to take a break even if it decides to fall, but I'm going to give this enough time to resolve itself. We are now green on this trade. Morning Damien and morning Nargis. We have 6 people watching us. Please do leave us a comment. Tell us your name and where you're from, and are you taking a trade or not. We have a big catalyst for CHEK. CheckCap receives FDA IDE approval for pivotal study of C-scan. Could be big, really big. With this, maybe the other stocks will move as well. Okay, it has dropped a little. Okay, this looks like a reversal. I might just come out. If this falls below this trend line, I will just come out. Trading is all about managing your risks. Your losses must be less than your gains, and if you are able to do that, you will be profitable. You will be profitable in a long run. But if your losses are more than your profits and you just wait emotionally thinking that, okay, the trade will turn around, it might never do. So you will end up making more loss. I will just do break even on this one, or give it a little bit more time. Okay, it's basically lost the momentum. The momentum is now on FAMI, but CHEK has already 17.8 million shares traded so far. Yes, Damien, you described it correct. That's why I'm giving it enough time. If it does, good. So 318 is the moving average. It should bounce off that. I am right now break even on this trade. I will give it a little bit more time. I'm green on the day, a good green today. So I don't want to miss out on this one. I know this is big. So yeah. Also, please do leave a comment if my voice is bursting or is it okay? Is it bearable? Because I'm just testing this new microphone I bought. So please do let me know if my voice is bearable or not, or is it just enough? Do you hear me clear? Okay, looks like it's curling up now. Here, it needs to go above this level 355 for it to really be sustainable. And if it does, good. But if this trend line is respected, then it should be going down on this level. Here. It has broken the trend line so far and above moving averages, so looking good. Sometimes you have to give your trade a little bit more time. Look, I understand that people get scared and they just come out of a trade for a loss, but if you just keep moving around like a rabbit, you will end up with red, so many reds, because in the end, if you don't give your trade a little bit extra time and room to work itself out, yeah, every trade will end up red. Okay, if it struggles on these levels because this is the trend, if yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's fine. I mean, I will be break even at 90 minus, so I rather be break even than just miss out on this opportunity, because I know this could be big today. Yes, I will give this trade a little bit more room and time. CHEK is a lead gapper today with 20 million volume. Could be big, but again, there could be some profit taking as well at open, because it has already stretched, like 120%. So at open, it could be going down probably 50% from the gains, probably 250, 270. There were a couple of mistakes in the morning. I took this was basically overnight, and I took half here off the table and then bought back some of them here, which was a bad move. I should have bought it around here after pulling back, but yeah, wrong move. But all in all, I am up on AZRX around $620. Could have made probably $1,000, but I'm fine, I'm okay. And also another mistake on ACER, I took half of profit here, took a trade around 643, taken some profit off the table around 726, and then I sold the entire position here as soon as it broke the trend line and came below moving averages. So yeah, this was perfect trade, honestly. About $1,400 profit on this one. Could have been about 2,000 if I sold the entire position here, but it's fine. I mean, you manage trade this way. It's you rather have a couple of hundred less than losing a lot more, because if it continued high, going up from this point onwards, which most of the time it happens, then I would have missed out a much bigger opportunity. But it's fine. You do manage trade some way, sometimes this way. Okay, if I call check, is it looking good to me? I think it's looking good. Overall, really good. But I don't know whether I should just hold through open or not. We still have around 2 hours to go. Oh, 1 hour 39 minutes to go. Let's see how it plans out, to be honestly. I'm not bothered. As I said, I'm willing to take break even or maybe a little loss on this one. I'm already up $90 on this one, taken off the table. It is indeed, yeah, Damien, you're correct. It's curling up nicely, honestly. If you look at it, there is a change of trend as well, so it's fine. It's all good. And why do I have only 2 likes? I don't understand. There was 8 viewers at one point. So please hit the thumbs up button. It's quite important, and leave a comment on the video how you finding it. The reason I am taking smaller positions is because my swing trades are heavily down due to the market crash a couple of weeks ago. So I'm just taking slowly each day. I have a small target, so I have been hitting target. I don't want to go crazy at the moment. Maybe in future, yes, I will be resuming my usual trades. My usual trades are normally 2,000 to 3,000 shares on any stock. So yeah, for now I'm just taking each step very carefully. Yeah, it needs to break this level. It's looking very strong. It's looking really good. very small trade, 500 shares, and coming out with 20% profit is, I think, very good. This has a huge catalyst today, so hopefully this can be big at open. If it makes new high before open, that looks which more likely it will. Please do share your P&L if you have made profit on live chat. If you have taken any trades. £3,000 a day, dollar a day, $500 a day, and that's for some people is a huge amount, because if you are working full time and spending 10-12 hours shift and traveling back and forth to work, and you can replace that with a couple of hours of trading and making similar or maybe more. In most cases, it's much more than your daily wage, daily check. That is amazing. It gives you a lot of time with your family and to yourself and to reflect upon, and you can really have the freedom most people can only dream for. So initially don't have your targets or goals unrealistic. If you could simply replace your paycheck initially, that's amazing. And slowly as you understand how it works and you are more consistent, you can always increase your target. Market is always here and it will always be here, and there would be every single day there would be opportunities. It's not running away. Don't try to be rich from one stock. It's like it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen, at least your early stages. Yes, you can get lucky with once or twice, but most of the time you will end up getting burnt big time. So take it slowly. Try to make your living a decent living with a reasonable target, and you can do it. Everyone can do it. As I said, I am not taking profit from this trade because I feel that this could be big. I am willing to just break even on this one, which is fine by me. I am already up around $2,000 since morning, so this won't hurt me a lot if I just wait around. I have taken ACER. I also took AZRX. And I have already taken a small tiny profit of $90 off the table from check. So sell-off is coming. Yeah, this is looking please do mention in comment what's your daily targets on profits and what does that mean to you. Yeah, XPEV is my baby. And as most of you guys know, I am really big on XPEV, around $70,000 invested in XPEV. Um, yeah, I'm really bullish and it's long term for me. I would be buying more of XPEV soon. Wow. Yeah, I'm long on this one. I have a swing trade, which I'm okay. I have a price target for HSTO. It needs to hit $7 before I sell this or beyond. You never know. I'm holding it as long as it takes. It doesn't matter. HSTO, TNXP, these are the stocks I'm holding for long. LKCO, they are in my portfolio for long run. Yeah, these small pops, they don't mean anything to me. Yeah, if I'll hold these stocks: HSTO, ARTL, CLSN, Sense, SENS, Sensionic, LKCO, ZOM, RAVE. These are the stocks I'm holding for long run. We only have 4 likes, guys, and there are 7 views right now. 7 people on watching us. So please do hit the like button. Whoa. You see these candles? They usually have good signal for me. I always end up taking big profits when this candle appears with a very long wick and shooting up and down in fraction of time. Usually they're good sign for me. I'm not sure for others. Um, they end up giving me really good profit. That has happened to me quite a lot. I'm still in this trade. Usually I don't stay in a trade for this long. I'm in and out, but I don't know, I have a feeling. Even if, as I said, even if I end up taking some small losses on this one, I'm okay, because I'm already up around $2,000 this morning. I am okay to give back about $200. I wouldn't. In any case, on this trade, I would be breaking even because I have already taken $90 off the table. So as long as it holds these levels, I'm not selling. I will only sell if my loss goes beyond $120 on this one. And trades are always about managing your losses and profit. You need to know your entry, when to exit, and how many shares you need to exit. Because I usually never exit entire position. I always keep half on the table. That's because you never know how far a stock can go. So it's all about managing your trade. I will be making a series of videos where I would be walking you through how to become a consistent trader. I'm not promising millions of dollars, but yes, you would be making a good living if you just watch that series. I'm working on it, and hopefully I will start releasing videos very soon. We have 8 views. Please, if you are not a subscriber, please do subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notifications early for my upcoming events and videos. Please do subscribe my channel, and also leave a comment where you from. Have you taken any trade? We only have 5 likes on this video, and we have 8 viewers. Yeah, it's holding these levels very good. If it drops, fine. As I said, I'm willing to take a small loss on this one. I just realized that my account numbers are showing on my P&L, which isn't safe. This is the third time it's gonna try these levels, and if it doesn't break, I feel like I am out. I don't know why, because it shouldn't take this long to break these levels. It should have the momentum it needs. Yes, I think if it struggles, I'm out, because it shouldn't struggle on these levels. And if on open it comes down, then I can always jump back in again, because it's been pushed down almost third time. I feel that it can be a problem. And it hasn't really gone up. It's like it feels like a downtrend. Okay. And usually this happens that as soon as you sell, a stock makes a move. It pops, and it pops really big. So that's why I'm giving this trade enough time to show itself. But I think it's struggling. It's struggling big time going up. Waiting for it is good, but you can't wait for too long that it never reverses. It should make some sort of decision. At the moment, if you see, it's consolidating between these two levels, between 319 and 354. It's between these levels, so it should take a direction now. I think it's going to go down. And pre-market, your stop loss orders don't work, so you have to sell manually. You can't have a hard stop loss. Okay, I have a feeling that it's gonna drop below this level now, and I don't know. Okay. If you are watching us very first time and you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe to my channel. Every morning I come live and trade live in front of you guys, whether I'm making profit or loss, you know about it. And also learn how I do things. And I am quite consistent with my profits. And I have mentioned it many times before that, you know, it's not about making thousands of dollars every day. It's about being consistent. If you can be consistent, there would be a time when making $10,000 or $20,000 a day won't be a problem. The problem is how to be consistent with making the smallest amount, smallest target you have. Even if your target is $200 a day, making that $200 every single day, 20 days of trading every month, and every month of the year is important. If you can't do that, then making $10,000 is as difficult as $200, because it's how you make $200 consistently is important. Because making profit is easier, but keeping that profit is very difficult. Market is not your friend. Sometimes people try to become rich from just a couple of trades, or if they 5 trades are in profit and they're making profit, they would think that, you know, every other trade they make on the day will be in profit, and then they end up giving that profit back, or maybe making loss in the end. So hitting your target and walking away is being brave. It's not weak. Whatever market gives you, take it and just get on with your day. Rest of the day, do spend time with your family or do whatever you like doing thing. In the end, it's about buying your freedom, and that's quite important. If you have made, let's say, $500 a day and you only needed to make $300 or $200, be grateful, walk away, do your normal routine, go spend time with your family, enjoy your time, and that is what it is. Otherwise, you're good in your day job where you would be spending 10 hours in a factory or in your office or wherever it is. You're better off there, because there would be two things. One, you would get a consistent profit, and secondly, if that's something you like doing, spending time working all day, then that's something you should do. I spend a lot of time with trading and spending a lot of time with charts only because I like helping. What I did for myself, I want people to wake up to that and make a decent living. And yes, I spend a lot of time with my family. I go out as soon as I hit my target, I go out. But this live stream is only to help you guys to become consistent with your profits. And that is the most important, and that is the most difficult job, to be consistent with your profits. Making profit is easy, but keeping that profit, as I said, is very difficult job. Very difficult. Most people fail keeping the profits. And one of my group member gave an example, very beautiful example, that it's a river and you are swimming against the river. So market is the river and you are swimming against it. So if you get lucky with your profits, walk away. Don't hang around. Okay, this is third time this level is being tried. If it doesn't break, I am out, and I will just get on with my day. I won't stress. I'm up already $2,000, so it's fine. Around 2,000, not exactly 2,000, $1,963. Okay, it's looking strong. It's looking very strong. But if it struggles on these levels, I am out. I'm not gonna wait around. I'm sure there would be plenty of other opportunities. Yes, it's consolidating around these prices. So I feel like just get out and enter again if it's above moving average. I don't know. It's your comments. Please keep the comments coming. Do share what you're doing. How much profit have you made? And are you trading CHEK or another stock? Please do share. It's quite important for others to get excited and also learn from this group. And I still have 5 likes only. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Important. It gives me appreciation and encouragement to keep going and keep coming back live every day. Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me of my coffee. I had my coffee already. I'll be making another cup, yeah? Please stay around, yeah? I'm gonna go and make myself a cup of coffee and then come back in about a couple of minutes. All right, guys, I am back. And one thing I would like to point out here, like I left this trade here open without a stop loss. I know pre-market stop losses don't execute, but I would never ever recommend leaving your trade open unless it's a swing trade or an investment. You could come back to a big surprise. It could be either way. You could be up big time or you could be down big time. A loss which you might not like taking. So like I went away to make myself a cup of coffee. Yeah, don't do that. Don't you ever do that, because you will end up with a surprise you might not like. Yes, sometimes you will get a surprise which you would be really happy about, but most of the time it ends up really bad. And always understand your risk appetite. What is your risk appetite? How much you're willing to lose to make a certain profit. So let's say you want to make $500 a day, and you must understand how much you're willing to lose to make that $500, because that's the cost of doing a trade. It's like you go out and work for an employer and you get probably $150 get paid, or $150 or $200 paid for the whole day, maybe 10 hours or 12 hours shift, and you are basically trading your time to make that money. With this, you are trading your time, which is a fraction of time, but you're trading your loss against your profits. So you must have a plan how much you're willing to lose to make profit, and always understand that your losses must be contained within your manageable risk. What I mean by that, it's all up here, and also with your hard cash. If let's say you have equity of $3,000, you can't be losing 500 of that $3,000. No, you can't do that. So always understand that your equity compared to your loss, the loss you're willing to take must be proportionate. It can't be 10% or 20% of your equity. Personally, I'm willing to lose maybe 1% or maximum 2% of my equity on a trade. But maybe trade value, yes, I would say 10% of your trade value, but your trade should not be over 10% of your equity. So let's say you have 100,000 in your account, trading account, and you should not take a trade over maybe $10,000 or 15,000 maximum. Yeah, and of that trade value, you should not lose more than 2% on each trade. I will be making a series of videos where I will be explaining the trade management and risk management, your money management. It would be a very basic from start to end how to become a consistent trader, successful trader. It's not about turning 1,000 into 1 million. No, I don't do that. I don't market that. Yes, it looks very attractive to get attention, but it's I personally feel that it's deceiving people, and especially with people who don't have experience with trading. It's like trapping them in with wrong statements. And I'd rather be honest with you, where ins and outs, what's at risk, but what's risk and reward ratio, what you can make and what you can lose. You need to understand both of them. And as you know, most traders lose money. And you need to ask yourself a question. Why do you want to become a day trader? What is it? Is it that you want more time on your hand? Just make $200 and shut your laptop and go spend time with your family? or is it you want more money than what you are making already? Or it could be both. And how you achieve that, you must have a plan how you would achieve it. And without a plan, it would end dark. It would not end good. You must have a plan. For me, it's freedom. For me, it's not having someone to worry about, a manager or a boss, or and make more money. I have made way more money through trading than I was making in my property. I have a couple of businesses, other businesses as well. I have property business. I have few online digital businesses. I am making much more money with trading with a very less time and capital than I make with property and other businesses. And plus the freedom I get with this. You hit your target, be it $500, $1,000, $2,000 or $10,000. You hit your target, you switch your laptop off and you go do whatever you like doing, be it traveling. And with this, you can travel as well. You can be traveling on road and do trading as well. So with trading, you get a lot of freedom, a lot of freedom. All right, guys, keep your comments coming. They let me know that you're there, you're watching me, and I'm not just talking to a wall. It's important. Just keep the chat going. Naj, I haven't really checked ACER news. I just traded the chart and it worked out really well for me. I don't know whether they have news or not. But CHEK it has a news and it's a big catalyst, and that's why I'm holding on to it. I'm not selling it. It's only 500 shares. Even if I end up losing $120, it's fine. I will only lose $30 because I already taken $90 off the table. That's why I'm holding it. I'm not sure whether it's going to just slide down or shoot up. I think, I have a feeling that there would be some profit taking at open, and if there is profit taking, it's fine. I might get caught in it, but it's fine. It's okay. It's part of the game. I'm confident because I'm already up around $2,000, so it doesn't bother me at all. I'm gonna give this trade a time it needs to show itself. News is big, volume is there, gap is there, everything is ticking. Why not? It's bouncing off moving average, which is good. It's looking good. Okay, I have 6 likes now. I want 2 more likes, if not more. Who hasn't liked yet? Yeah, good point, Nargis. Maybe 2K donation. Yeah, donating to the most needy, yes, but not the market. I will never give my profits back to market. It happened on Friday and I didn't like it. Usually I am strict with my trades, but Friday I don't know what happened. Obviously we all lose at some point. But yes, it's looking good today. Today I'm very happy. One thing I'm disappointed is the timing. What happened? Basically, in the morning, I didn't know that clocks are going back, and the difference of time will be less. So usually what happens is market starts at 9 a.m. BST, but today it started 8 a.m. EST, which was a bit confusing. So I could not. Usually what happens is, the lead gapper in the morning 4:02 a.m. EST, I am able to catch the stock on first pullback, which would have been here around here around 512 to 548 or 550. I would have taken a trade around here, but I missed this, so I end up taking trade around here, which was higher, but I took profit off the table around here and then sold off around here. But I'm still happy. I'm okay. It could have been big day today with ACER had I a chance to catch it around here. But yeah, it happens. I took my eyes off the trading days and times. So yeah, you pay for it. For some reason, it's struggling around here. Need more buyers to step in and just rip through. I'm sure if it breaks this, it will rip through 376. Come on. It's gonna rip through, looks like it. Okay, some of you might think that, why I just buy 500 shares. It's all about risk management. The reason I'm taking smaller positions now, I told you earlier in this video as well that I have taken some swing trades which went against me, and I think the entire world knows about it. If you are in trading, you know what happened past 4 weeks. Market had crashed, so my portfolio has devalued around $50,000, which is why I'm being careful at the moment with day trading. I don't want to let that affect my day trading strategy. Sometimes emotionally, when you're losing on one side, you want to try to make it back as fast as possible, and that leaves you vulnerable in market. You need to have clear emotionless. Basically, you need to be ruthless and heartless when it comes to trading. All you have to do is look at the numbers, look at the chart, and whatever chart is telling you and your numbers are telling you, you make decision based on that. You don't hope. There is no word as hope in trading. If you say, I hope it goes up, I hope it goes down in short cases, it doesn't work like that. If chart is telling you something else and you're hoping something else, that means you are delusion. You are basically deceiving yourself, and you don't know how market works. Always go by the numbers and chart. If chart is telling you something, accept it. Even if you're wrong, accept it, that chart is telling me that the trade you have taken is wrong, you are proven wrong. Accept. It's being brave. When you accept that trade has gone against you and you just step back, it's not weakness, it's basically strength. And if you be stubborn with the market and with chart, trust me, it won't take long before you take a bigger loss. It happened to me at very early stages of my trading career, and it happens to almost everyone. So learn from people who have already been there and done it. Accept to learn to accept that the trade went against you, and come out as soon as possible. Don't wait around in hope that it will turn around. It might not. And if it keeps dipping and dipping, you will end up making bigger losses, which it will hurt big time to take those losses. So it's okay to take $100 loss than $1,000 loss. If it jumps back up, it's fine. I mean, not every trade will go in your favor. Okay, on this trade, I am up 15%, or 10% actually. It's okay. I think it's good return. What do you think? 10% return. It's amazing. But as I said, I will wait. I will move my stop loss now on 354. Here, if it falls below this level, I am out, because that's when it moving average is around 354 to 353. But as it's looking good and it's uptrend, I might just keep it. Do let me know if you're still watching and still out there. Which stock are you watching? Are you taking any trade? If you have, what's your P&L? Have you made any money? And what's your daily target? Keep the comments going, guys. Yep, it needs to rip this highest level in the morning. So it was 377, 376. It has broken that level. And by the looks of it, it's all-time high, which is good, which is really good. $165 profit from only risking $1,500. I don't think so it's a bad deal. Most of you think that you need 10,000, 20,000 to trade. No, you don't. It's all about what you got and how you can manage your risk and reward. So now I am up around $2,050, which is good. Today I am pleased. Disappointed as well that I did not keep track of the timings, but I'm happy that it's better than Friday. Friday I lost around $1,300. After making $1,200, I gave back all that money. If it's a pullback, good. If it drops below this, I'm out. Below moving average on 1 minute chart is yeah, it's bouncing off nicely. It's an uptrend, clear uptrend. So I don't want to come out early, it's premature, and then later on find that, you know, this has gone to $5 or $6. It happens. It has happened to me in past when I left a stock too early and it climbed as far as $6-7 per share profit I left on the table. So I have nothing to lose. Even if it comes back to my buying price 345, I'm okay with that. But I'm going to give this trade enough time to reveal itself. It has the catalyst, it has volume, it is the lead gapper. The entire trader community is watching this stock. So yeah, I think most of the profit taking has already happened on this one. Yes, at open it can dip to probably $3.325. Yeah. Okay, is it just pullback or change of trend? Now it's the candles are looking really good. So yeah, I will be making few videos on chart patterns and candles, how you can figure out that, you know, if there are 3 candles together and there are certain ways, what does that mean? Chart patterns are very, very important to understand in day trading. Okay, I will take some profit off the table if I get unrealized $200. If not, then we are okay. It's looking so strong to me. The stock is looking absolutely strong, very strong. It's looking very, very strong. Yeah, it's ripping. I'm gonna take half off the table as soon as I hit $200 here. It's looking good, looking good. Alright guys, I'm taking half off the table. There you go. Now I have 250 shares. And now I'm gonna let them run as far as it goes. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, on this trade I am up $175. If it dips, I'm gonna add 250 more. All right, guys, and also one more thing you need to understand is using hotkeys. Yeah, I'll be making a video on hotkeys as well, how important it is when you are doing momentum trading and scalping, how important it is to use hotkeys, because you can then enter and exit just pressing a keyboard key instead of you basically making an order here and pressing the button. With momentum trading, you might not get enough time to basically sort out your order, and by the time you sort out the order, the price might be just shooting up. That's potential loss of profit. All right, guys, do leave a comment if you're still watching, and let me know, have you traded anything? What stocks are you watching? Okay, I only have 250 shares of CHEK, and I will let them run as far as they go. If they come back to 245, I will be breaking even on the remaining shares, and I will take $175 profit, which is okay for 1500 invested. But it's looking amazing. This stock is looking so strong, and I feel that, you know, it can go to $5 at least $5 today. We did not realize, but NTech has climbed about 104%. I watched it earlier, but didn't realize that it can go that high. Yeah, it had a nice pullback. Yeah, could have taken a trade there. You see, I don't know, because this is very this is my third live video, and I can't go live and also keep watching my scanner. Usually what happens is, if I'm not live and not recording video, I am keeping an eye on my scanners, and as soon as a stock pops, I take a trade. I take, usually, if let's say I wasn't talking to you guys, I would have picked this stock up around here, because it had already come up on my scanner. 640, I would have taken trade without even thinking. So yeah, I usually, it's new to me going live and trading at the same time. That's why I've been missing opportunities on this side. But yes, I will learn. I will get hang of it. Yeah, it would be about, I think, 2 to 3 seconds delay. Let me check the settings. So my settings are okay. I have it ultra low latency, which is basically the delay should be minimum. Yeah, I have only 6 likes, guys. I should have at least 8 likes. Either 2 people who are watching, they don't like the content, or they don't like the way I'm doing things. Yeah, that would be thumbs down then if you don't like it. But if you like it and holding back, please press that like button, thumbs up button, so I know that, you know, you're there and you are getting some benefits of this live stream. Right, a small pullback, which is really good. yeah, it has to be, yeah, pullbacks are healthy and show that, you know, the stock is still trending, and it is trending up. If you look at the trend line, let me clear up some of these levels. So trend is okay, trend is uptrend right now. If you have been watching me for like a long time, maybe 6, 7, 8 months in my private group or WhatsApp group, then you know how big of a fan I am of SGLB. And today it has made a move from 340 to 620, and then it has pulled back. It's still a very good stock. I love it. It's 3D printing software, and we all know that, you know, this decade is about 3D printing, genomics, and EVs. If you don't wake up to these technologies, trust me, you will be left behind. 3D printing is going to be huge because of the requirement of chips and everything, and EV market. It's going to be huge, and SGLB is they are the leaders in the software technology behind 3D printing. So I would definitely recommend this stock if you can buy it. If it pulls back, which I believe it will pull back around $4 or maybe below, if it does, buy it and hold. Yeah, you will be happy and thank me later. And again, guys, I am not a financial advisor and I'm not a legal advisor. This stream is only for entertainment purpose, nothing more than that. If you do decide to follow me, which you shouldn't blindly follow me, you should always do your own due diligence and decide for yourself. But if you do, just be careful, take a trade which is clear trade. Don't blindly follow me. Following me does not mean that you will make profit. Yeah, check. I think I should stay away at the moment. Yes, it's holding really good at these levels, but I think at open there would be some profit taking, and if that happens and you get caught, or buy off moving average. Yeah, if you had placed an order around here, you would be good. Yep, I should have added some on the moving average, but I did not. Okay. As I said, you know, I am not used to trading and going live, so it takes me a little while to basically go back to my trade and understand what's happening. If I was not going live, I would have added around 250 shares at this low of this candle, which was actually the support on MA around here. 366, I would have definitely added more. But it's fine. As I said, I'm very happy for today. I'm already up $2,050 to $60. Let me check. Please do share your trades. If you have made a trade today, let me know what have you traded in, what's your P&L. So if it has established the pre-market highest, which is 377 as a support, it would be good. This is the level where it was pre-market high, but let's see what happens. We have 25 minutes and this is looking strong. 25 minutes to go. Yes, there would be a sell off around 9:20-ish, but if there is, it's fine. As I said, I have only 250 shares. I'm planning to hold them as long as it takes. I might add more if it goes above $4. That's really good, Nargis. Very happy for you. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Has anyone else taken any trade on CHEK? If so, please do let us know. What's your P&L? Who is still holding CHEK? If you're holding CHEK, please leave a comment below. You see, benefit of drawing trend lines and why they are important and how a stock respects a trend line. And if stock doesn't respect a trend line, you have an idea what to do with your trade. I am happy so far with this trade. Almost $300 profit from this. Just imagine investing $1,500 and making $300 profit. That's 20% gain on a trade. That's big. I think that's really good. The reason I took a very small position on this one is I maybe wanted to show you guys that it is very much possible to make money with smaller amounts as well. You don't have to risk whole lot of money to make money. It really depends on your target. What's your target? What's your goal? Daily goal. If your daily goal is $200-300, $2,000, and it's fine. But keeping just $2,000 in your account isn't advisable, because obviously there needs to be minimum equity requirement in your account. So you don't have to, if you have $20,000 in your account, you don't have to risk the entire amount. Just trade with only 20% or 10% from your account, and you would still end up making profit, as long as you know when you enter and when to exit, your entry, your exit, and your stop loss. These three things are very, very important. You must understand that these three things need to be established prior to taking a trade: your entry, your stop loss, and your exit. For me, I have been telling throughout this video that for me, I am willing to lose $110 on this trade, which so far it hasn't happened. It went to $90 loss and then jumped back up, and upwards I have no trailing SL on this one. So I have taken some profit off the table. I have 175 locked in, and I have open profit of $122 and thereabouts. I'm okay to hold on to this one as long as it takes today or break even the remaining shares. Now I will keep moving my stop loss up, because the moving average is moving. It has moved to 377, so that's the 376 actually, yeah. So the trend line would be my guide to take the profit now. I will not take profit upwards, I will take profit downwards now. So minimum I would end up taking on this one now is $250 profit, which is okay, which is good. Okay, this is looking really strong. It has broken $4. You see, even with $200, 250 shares, you're still making profit. 250 shares, that's about probably $700-800 risked, but you're still making about $150 profit. It's very much possible. As I said, don't try to become rich from just one trade or one stock. Opportunity will always be there. Every single morning, this market will give you an opportunity, as long as you are there to trade, as long as you survive to trade another day. So always understand that you need to survive to trade another day. If your account is blown in one day or 1 week and you can't trade next day, no point. There is no point. So always understand that you need to survive another day to trade. That's $350 profit on $1,500 trade, which is very, very good. This is solely to show you guys, with small amounts you can make profit. If you're still watching, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you're doing, what you're watching, which stock are you trading. Trading is all about controlling your emotions, removing emotions from a trade and solely looking at the chart and your numbers, your targets. That is all about. If you take emotional trades, you will always make irrational decisions that will end up in some nasty results, and nobody likes nasty results. So for that, you have to be rational. You have to look at the chart, look at your numbers, decide your entry, your stop loss, and your exit pre-hand. Don't enter and then decide what's the stop loss and what's the exit or the profit taking. Don't do that, because that way when the trade is already in, you will be vulnerable emotionally to the trade, and leaving your emotions in market isn't good. Market isn't your friend. Just think it as if like you are swimming against a river, and take what market gives you and walk away. Do not overtrade. Just, it's not about quantity of trades, it's about quality of trades. You see, 180, 82. Or some of you might think that, why I sold 250. Because we don't know where the stock will head. Nobody can tell 100% that, it will go up. I should have added, as I said, 366 when it pulled back here. Somewhere here, I should have added it, but I didn't. I was talking to you guys and I missed the opportunity. I wanted to add more, 250 shares, but it's fine. I mean, I'm happy. Today is a great day today. I'm very happy with the result. I can take, it's still bullish, very bullish. This candle, these candles is basically what stock is doing is making higher highs, high, pull back, high, pull back, and then make new high. Unless or until it breaks the support and reverses the trend, I am in this trade. Who is still with me? We have 6 people watching us, and yeah, guys, we have 13 minutes to go, and let's see what open brings us. I don't like leaving the trade to open, but let's see. I'm having some bad, I always had bad feelings. I never ever let my trade go into open, because they could go pretty bad, but it's only 250 shares, not bothered at all. It has to drop around 70 cents for me to panic. I wouldn't even panic, because I'm already up significantly. But as a new trader, I think newbies should not go in open. It's the worst time. Market is extremely volatile, and you have to take decisions in fraction of seconds, and you can make big profits but lose big as well at open, which I do not recommend. Let's see what check gives us today. It's looking good. It's looking very good. If this stream is helping you in any way, especially controlling your emotions and looking at chart and deciding based on charts and numbers, then please do hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, do subscribe, please. "11 minutes to go, guys." It's looking very strong. So almost $400 profit from $1,500 trade. Tell me, is it good? Do you think it's good? Risking only $1,500 to make $400 profit? Yeah, I think it's good. It's very good. So again, you don't have to have thousands of dollars to trade with. You can make profit with small amounts, but as long as you know when to enter, what's your stop loss, and when to take profits. Always keep taking profits on different stages. Never ever exit a trade completely. Just imagine if I sold the entire trade here, I would have not been up 180 more. So I would have taken probably $200 profit max. Check by far is the lead gapper, and look at it. The volume is 73.7 million pre-market, and I don't know what it's gonna do at open. I feel that it can come back to 390-ish before taking off. That's a very strong support. But as it's holding moving average, I am happy with it. As I said, I already have $175. So if this ends up break even, no problem. But I will let it run as far as it goes. No worries. It has the catalyst. Big news. They had a FDA approval, which is big. It has volume, it has gap. Every trader is right now looking at this. Every single trader. Guys, do not blindly follow me. Manage your own risks. It's important that you understand what you're doing. I am not a financial advisor or legal advisor, so please do not follow me blindly. We have 6 minutes to go and it's still climbing. It's going up and up and up, which is good. As I said, pre-market, it could hit $5. At open, it could go to $5 just before open, you see. Yep, it's looking very, very strong. So I'm gonna move my stop loss now to 420. I don't have hard stop loss. I don't like hard stop losses because sometimes it hits stop loss triggers and then stock then jumps off to a new level. So I don't like hard stop losses. I just manually sell the stock. I can take half off the table now at these levels, but I will wait now. I have waited for this long. I'll wait for market open now. Okay, I have taken half off the table, so now I am up nearly $300 and I still have $115 on the table unrealized. Again, I have 125 shares. It's only wise to incentivize yourself. Yeah, it's very, very important that you understand how to take profit on different stages. I could have left it, but I thought, why not? If market is giving you something, why reject it? I have left $80,000 on the table. End of January, 2 weeks of February, I left $80,000 on my swing trades. Luckin Coffee, at some point I was up $45,000 and I end up taking only $15,000 profit on it. And people who trade with me, they know that this has happened. I left 30,000. Yes, it was unfortunate. There was a news and stock basically plummeted probably 60-70%. Nobody expected that. So I was up 45,000 and I end up taking 15,000 profit off it, which was bad move. And other stocks like CLSN, we have Zom, Sense, they were hugely in profit. I didn't take profit. So bit of change of strategy. I started taking profits off the table now. Okay, on pullback, I will be adding 125 more to it. So it's looking very strong. It's looking very strong. So I'm up on check $400. I only risked $1,500, guys. So what I am trying to say to you is you don't have to risk tens of thousands of dollars to make money. Just ask yourself, what does $400 mean to you a day? What can you do if you make $400 every day for 20 days, a month, in a couple of hours of work every day? Just ask yourself this question. Don't be greedy. Don't try to become rich from one stock or two stocks. It's a marathon. It's not a race. If you learn how to make $200-300 consistently every single day, then making 10,000, 20,000 a day will not be a problem. But the problem is traders don't understand making consistent profits, be it $200 or $500 or $1,000 is the most difficult part, and keeping those profits, not giving them back, is the most important part. I feel like adding 125 shares more here. Let it drop further around $4. As I said, I already have $300 locked in. I'm not bothered at all on this stock. We have 2 minutes to go. It might drop further, but I think this was the sell-off before pre-market and before market open. It should start climbing after hitting $4 or just below $4. This is an important level, 392. I'm not bothered at all. Let me know if you are trading this stock. This is important level. It should bounce off this level. But as its market open, I will hold. I will hold my decision to add more. And I'm just gonna put a stop loss to 345, breaking even without any problem. Stop 345. So I will not let this turn into a bad trade now. Yeah. 345. Market is open now, guys. There you go. As expected, it's making new highs. Again, I mentioned this was the level to add more, but I missed it. It's fine. I will let this run as far as it goes. I am not bothered at all. Let me move my stop loss to this level here. Just here. It should not come below that. You see, this is like locking your profits in and do not give what you are making back. Yeah, it's important that you understand that retaining your profits are quite important. It will pull back before it makes new high. Do let me know if you're trading any stock. If you are trading a stock, what's your P&L? What stock did you trade? This will shoot now. Moving my stop loss slightly above because it's struggling and I think it's going to make its way down now. Or maybe after consolidating in this region, it will make high. But the thing is, if my stop loss gets hit and then it makes new high, I would be disappointed and upset and annoyed. It's looking very strong, very, very strong. It's bouncing off moving average, which is good. This is very strong. This indicator I use is about 90% accurate. This is moving average smooth at 20. It's for day trading. It has helped me make decisions 99% of the time. It has given me accurate information. And look, in trading, everyone has to develop their own strategy. Everyone has to be comfortable the way they trade. There is no right or wrong, or one indicator is right and the other one is wrong. No, it doesn't work like that. If you understand one indicator better than the other one, you should be using the one you understand better, because in the end, you will be the one who is making decision on a trade. Yeah, I think my stop loss will hit. That's strange. That is very strange. It missed. You see, that's what happens when your stop loss is missed. So I will like to, maybe it's lucky day for me. It didn't hit for some reason. See, when a big candle like this drops, it's very much possible that, you know, your stop loss will not trigger, and the candle will just bypass the stop loss and go down. It's fine. It happens. It's absolutely fine. Should I set up another one? But this is pulled back now, and I think it's gonna go back up. But maybe it's being pushed down on MA. On 5-minute chart. Okay, I think I'm gonna just get out of this trade and go and do my thing. Yes, because it's consolidating around this price. It has gone around 156%, which is good on the day. Okay, I'm adding more. Okay, I added more because I could tell that, you know, it's gonna make new highs. The reason I added here because there was a loss of momentum and then a green candle. So I always tend to add more on the green candle when the previous candle is red. So previous candle red, and if this candle has made higher than previous red candle, that's the add time. Okay, I will be taking some profit. I think it's going to be now popping. Okay, I will take some off the table on this big move. But I have a feeling that this is gonna go way above. Struggling here. Okay, half off the table. Now I have 355 locked in, and I have 125 still shares left on the table. If it decides to go up, I will let it. I will let it climb as far as it goes. It doesn't bother me at all. But the point is, look at it. You don't have to risk a lot. You can still make a lot of profit. 355 from this trade, and this trade I'm doing only to show you that you don't have to take huge positions, $5, $10, $20,000 positions. No, you don't have to. You can only risk small amount and make profit. And if that amount, if let's say the amount you're trading is only 10% of your portfolio, 10% of your equity, and if you lose from that 10%, 1%, you won't feel it at all. Let's say if in your account you have 20,000 and you only trade with $2,000. And from $2,000, if you lose $100 or $200, it's fine. You wouldn't feel it because from 20,000, you have lost only $200, but there was a potential to make $500 profit. So understand it how to take a trade. It's a small pullback, 1 minute pullback, and it will make new high. Now what I will do, I will simply have a stop loss on my break even because I'm already $355 up, limit at 371. 371, that's my break even. I won't lose anything now. Yeah, if I don't make anything, I won't lose anything on these current shares I'm holding. Maybe should slightly go up here. 78. Yeah, but I have a feeling that this is gonna make new high now. I'll be back, guys, in a couple of minutes. You keep watching the action. I should see you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. And again, if you notice, there is a loss of momentum here on green candle. I should have taken a trade, but I didn't. It's absolutely fine. We're okay. We are already up significant, about $2,300 nearly up, which is good today. I'm happy. I'm very happy. It's not taking a clear direction. It should have taken a clear direction so far. It's not. I think most traders have gone on SGLB. That is my favorite stock. I'm invested in it for long term. My price target on that is $10. It's struggling for some reason. It's struggling big time. stock a very good showing strength. It's showing good level of strength. It's been pushed down on 1 minute chart on MA. Or you might have noticed that, you know, RAVENZOM, I am not doing anything about them. These are my long-term investments. I have around 58 stocks in 2 different portfolios, which I'm holding for a long time. For some reason, my stop loss is not being triggered, and that's very strange. That is very strange. Guys, I'm out on break even. Okay, yeah, it was good day today. Looks like on first pullback, it will start making new highs. Okay. I usually take a trade if I see loss of momentum here and a green candle making the highs from the previous red candle, and also I see a green candle on 5 minute chart. That is more safer trade for me. So if, let's say, this stock makes new high on 5 minute and shows me green candle, then yes. Otherwise, I will just sit back and watch what's happening. Looks like SGLB might have a news, I'm not sure. Yep. Sigma Labs signs agreement with Lockheed Martin for its PrintRite 3D in-process quality assurance solution. Yeah, I am very bullish on SGLB. I have been for God knows 1 year or so. So if I entered only based on 1 minute chart and green candle, it will end up in a disaster. So what I do is I wait for a green candle to make a new high. So if, let's say, this candle was above this red candle and finished around here, 394, and a candle on 5 minute chart turned green, then I would have taken trade. I don't take trade based only on one chart. You see, green candle, red, red, no point. This is a trap. SGLB is going parabolic. Wow. This is an important level, guys, and if it holds and makes new high, 5-minute candle is finishing in 3 seconds. Yep. Green, green, and just, I'm not going to take a trade, but I'm showing you this how you can take a trade. Yeah. I'm done for the day, by the way. Yeah, this is a clear trade now. It's been pushed down by moving average, but I think it will break that. It could climb back up to around 4 before it is pushed down. 399 at least. Alright guys, I will finish here. Good luck everyone, and if you have taken a trade and made profit, congratulations. If you're just watching and you found this live stream beneficial, or it has benefited you in any way, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel, and make sure you press that bell icon for your notifications. You will get early. I come live every morning 4 o'clock in the morning EST, and then just before market open, probably 1 hour before market open. So if you want the notifications, please do hit the bell icon so that you could join me live every day, Monday to Friday. As long as market is open, I'm open. Yeah. So good luck everyone. I'm done. I had a very good day today. So I hope everyone else had a good day. You take care. Goodbye.